Yo, what's going on, YouTube family? Chad Bennett here, your Make Money Online coach. And in today's video, my friends, I'm going to be sharing with you 3 different applications that are extremely simple, fun to do, and can help you start making free PayPal cash, Amazon gift cards, and all kinds of other great rewards online, you guys. Very, very simple stuff here. You can do this from the comfort of your own couch, in your bed, on the beach, as long as you have an internet connection and a smart device in your pocket. You can get started doing this 100% for free. I'm also going to be sharing with you in this video, if you stick with me through the entire thing, which is very important so that you can make the most money possible, of course. But in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you my top secret way of how I got started making the most money online. Yes, I'm talking about earning hundreds of dollars a day, thousands of dollars a week, and some folks are even making $1 million a year doing this one simple strategy, you guys. And it took me 15 years to stumble across this and to finally get it right. So if you want to learn about that strategy today, make sure that you stick with me through the entire video, because I'm going to share it with you in this video and how you can get started and quit your 9-to-5, fire your boss, and get a life of freedom. So let's get started. All right, you guys, let's jump into this video and show you the top 3 applications to start making money simply for playing some very, very simple games in your free time. You're absolutely going to love this. Now, before I actually show you these, it's very important that if you are not subscribed to this channel right here, that you hit that subscribe button, that you hit the bell notification. That way you're notified immediately when I come out with new content, because I'm coming out with videos every single week. As you can see right here, I have tons of great content on this channel teaching you the best money making strategies on the internet, you guys, because that's what this channel is all about, is how to make money online. And of course, I'm going to be sharing with you my top secret way of how I make money online. And I'm talking about thousands of dollars a week, you guys, life changing results. Because let's all be honest here, what's happening here is you're trading your time for money. And I'm going to show you how you can start creating a passive income where you can work from home anywhere in the world as long as you have an internet connection, and start making thousands of dollars a week simply with this one simple strategy. Also, in this video, you guys, if you find any valuable content, it's extremely important that you crush that thumbs up so we can get this information out to as many people as possible, so we can change their lives too and help them start earning some extra free PayPal cash as well. Make sure that you drop me a comment. Let me know that you were here. I always appreciate the comments, even if you just type free PayPal cash, you guys. Make sure that you check in with me, show me some love, and help me grow this channel. So without further ado, as promised, let's get straight into this. Woo! All right, you guys, let's get started making some money online simply for playing games. Now, these applications that we're going to be talking about, remember, there's 3 of them. They're very, very simple to do. It's not complicated at all. And we're going to be talking about them from least paying all the way up to the highest paying one. But all of them are important because they all pay out, you guys, have great rewards. So let's check out this first one right here. Now, this first one is called PlaySpot, you guys. Now, I want to show you this over in the Google Play Store first, because I want you to see just how respected and highly liked this game, this application right here is. And as you can see, you're going to be making money online simply for playing games. You can get the application simply by clicking this button or visiting it in the Google Play Store. So let's check it out in the Google Play Store. If we bounce up here to the top, you can see that PlaySpot, the Make Money Playing Games app, has been rated by 324,323 people, roughly 5 stars right here. And they're paying out real money simply for just playing games, you guys. This has had over 10 million downloads right here, 10 million installs. And you can see it was last updated on May 15th, 2020. So they're constantly keeping the application updated and running smoothly. And some things that I want to show you on here, right? I want to point out too, this is all 100% free. It doesn't cost you anything to get started doing this. But they're paying out simply for just playing games, you guys. There's not too much to say about this other than the fact that, they have games like Candy Crush, all kinds of different puzzle games that you can come on here and play. Do this in your spare time and start earning some extra cash, right? So if we come over to the How It Works tab right here, I want to show you one thing in here, because there's a bunch of different ways that it pays out. You can choose from PayPal, Amazon vouchers, Google Play gift cards, or other old-fashioned bank transfers. So if you just want to transfer it straight to your bank account, you can do that as well. And you can get paid up to $50, $100, or even $200, or even more. The more that you're playing on this, the more money that you're going to earn, right? And the payout is completely up to you. You choose how they're going to pay that money out to you. Very, very simple stuff here. Now, it's important to remember as well, my friends. I want you to understand that throughout this video, what you're doing is you're trading your time for money, right? This is a great entertaining way to actually, make some extra money on the side, but you're trading your time for money. And in this video, I want to share with you exactly how you can have life-changing results, where you can quit your 9 to 5, where you can create passive income, where you can have a real life of freedom. So it's important that you stick with me through this entire video so that you can learn about how to do that, because I'm going to share with you what took me 15 years to learn and how you can get up and running within 15 days and be making thousands of dollars a week. And this is not a scam. This is 100% real, you guys, and it will absolutely change your life. All right, you guys, I hope you are still with me on this video, because these next two applications are really, really cool. They're really, really simple. So this is how this works. Are you familiar with, the scratch off style lotto tickets that you go into your local convenience store and buy? They usually cost like $1, $5, $10, sometimes all the way up to, $20 you're paying for those scratchers, and you're scratching those off to see if you've won any cash prizes or a free trip. Those cost money, and when you don't win, it really sucks, and it's a little, upsetting, right? What if you could do this 100% free sitting on your couch? So you can. These next two applications I'm going to be sharing with you actually pay out a lot of money, and it's all 100% free. You don't have to pay any money, to be scratching off lotto tickets to see if you've won any cash prizes or free trips. Now, this first one right here is called Lucktastic, you guys, and I want to show this over in the Google Play Store here so you can see just how well liked and popular this is. This has been rated by 330,000 people. 4-star rating right here. People absolutely love this. This has 10 million plus downloads, I believe, if we were to go check this out in the Google Play Store. You can do that yourself if you'd like. But I want to jump back over to the page here and just show you, some of the stuff that they're giving away for free right here, right? Just for testing your luck and scratching off scratchers on your mobile device, you guys. Very simple. You can do this from your couch, and it doesn't cost you a dime. So they have this backyard barbecue contest, for example, where you could be winning up to $1,300 from Lowe's, where you could be winning like a barbecue. They have Amazon gift cards as well as Visa gift cards valued up to $200. They have $4,800 worth of camping gear that you could be winning. They even have a $1 million contest right now where you could be cracking this code and win up to $1 million. Some of the different gift cards that they have available on here are some like Walmart, Amazon, Domino's, Bed Bath & Beyond, Dunkin' Donuts, JCPenney. They have over 30 major brands of different retailers of gift cards that are paying out, you guys. So you can see some of the daily winners right here. Olive Garden, there's Beats headphones, there's, obviously the Dunkin' Donuts. This lady won a Keurig. Why would you not come on here and test your luck to see what you won? You can win up to $10,000 instantly and enter great contests every single day with over 100,000 winners to date. You could be the next one. So check this out. I come on here, I test my luck all the time, and I've won some free stuff on here. Really, really cool stuff. Now, this next one, I told you if you stuck with me until the very end that you were going to be impressed. And this next one is just like this, but they pay out in cash, and they pay out in a lot of cash. Now, this one is called Lucky Dollars, Lucky Dollar, you guys. And as you can see, they've paid out over $100,000 every single day, over $100,000 cash rewarded every single day. Win real money playing free mobile scratch offs. So as you can see, it's really that simple. You come on here, you play the scratcher tickets, and they're paying out a lot of money. And the best of all, you can do this over and over and over again. Everything's free to play. So just come check this out. I'm going to show you this over in the Google Play Store for this one as well, just so that you know this is legit, right? 38,109 people rated this, 4 stars. And if we come down to the bottom here, you can see that there's been over 100,000 different installs right there, and they're updating this frequently as well. Last updated on March 5th, so the app runs smoothly, and people are absolutely loving this. So at the beginning of this video, I told you that if you stuck with me through this entire video, I was going to share with you exactly what I was doing to make money online, and that is exactly what I'm going to do today, you guys. I want you to understand that I understand and that I relate to, a lot of, probably what you're going through, because you're probably going online right now and you're searching how to make money online, free PayPal cash, free Amazon gift cards, whatever it is, online business. And, I just want you to understand that, I spent years and years and years, 15 years, you guys, trying all kinds of different crazy businesses. I worked for a very wealthy real estate investor that made $10 million in 7 years. And he shared a lot of great advice, when I was in my teens, but I still couldn't make it happen. I collected a lot of wisdom, but I just couldn't make it happen. I did real estate. I did tax lien certificates. I did multiple different MLM type businesses where I was chasing around my friends, my family, trying to get them to buy all kinds of different crazy products. And it just really sucked because it got to a point where it was like people start avoiding you because they don't really want to buy what you have, but they want to help support you because they're your friends and your family, right? And I even tried affiliate marketing when I was younger. And the problem that I noticed the most was through all this time was I just didn't have the right information in front of me, and I didn't know exactly why I wanted to have a lot of money. And 10 years later, after doing some research and really understanding, who I was and why I wanted to be financially free and have a life of freedom, to where I could quit my 9 to 5 and have passive income so I could stay home with my family, so I could be there for their sports, so I could take them to school, so I could spend time with my wife, so I could have a hobby where I could actually go live a life of real freedom. Once I finally understood those things and I got the right information in front of me, I'm talking about like a blueprint, something that tells you step by step by step exactly what you need to do to start making money online and build an online business that pays you over and over again. You see all these different things online where people are making a lot of money, and you just don't think it's possible for you, or you just don't understand how it's possible. And it absolutely is. Everybody can do this. You just need the right information. And what amazes me the most is just how much money people are willing to spend on going to college. They pay thousands and thousands, sometimes even $100,000 to go to school to get these jobs that they don't even know if they're going to like. And now they're in all this debt, and now you have a car payment, now you have a house payment, now you have kids, and you're just stuck. So you end up being stuck in that job that you don't like, and you go to work every single day to make somebody else really rich. And the problem is that you need to be able to break free from this cycle, to get your life back and to be you. There's nothing more exciting than creating your own business and to figuring out who you really are, and really making a lot of money online. And what's cool about making money online as well is that you can do that from anywhere in the world. There's nowhere that you have to be. As long as you have an internet connection, you can go and make money anywhere in the world, and it happens on autopilot. Once you start building this, it turns into a machine that really just works for you, and you can pass this on to your kids. And it's just really, really cool, and I want to help you get started doing that today. So if you're like me, if you can relate to my story and you want a life of freedom, which I highly, highly recommend, because everybody can do this, you guys. If I can do this, I know that you can do this as well. So if you're interested, you want to get started today, you want it to be cheap, and it really is cheap, you guys, too, by the way. It's so, so cheap compared to what it costs to go to school for years and years and years to get a job to make somebody else rich. The place that you can get started to do this is right up here at the top, right over here in the corner where that red arrow is. It says to make money online. This is exactly where I got started about a year ago today. I have had phenomenal results, and there's a whole team of experts that are willing to help out, and take you by the hand and show you exactly what you need to be doing. You can be up and running in 15 days with your own online business, you guys. And I cannot recommend that enough. Get started today. I've also left it down in the top of the description as well. It's my #1 recommendation to make money online. You'll find that in the top of the description. That's all I have for you guys today. I hope I've inspired you. I hope you find a life of freedom. I hope you're doing well. And again, you guys, make sure that you crush that thumbs up. If you found any valuable content in this video, drop me a comment, and make sure that you are subscribed to this channel, of course. Make sure that you hit that bell notification. That way you're notified immediately when I come out with new content, because I'm coming out with videos every single week, just like the video that you're watching right now. As you can see, there's tons of great content on this channel. So that's all I have for you today. That's going to be a wrap. I will see you on the next one. Peace.